Hey, welcome! Today we'll be making these pink and black ladybug dangle earrings. You will need these supplies. Let's go! I'm using this pink clay to make my ladybug wings. Now make the ladybug body by attaching a large and a small ball of black clay. And then add the wings. I'm using my tissue blade to push the wings into place. Now place your eye pins into the ladybug. You'll put one at the top between the wings, and then one at the bottom of the ladybug body. Now it's time to make your roses. Just take the balls of clay and pinch them between your fingers until they're flat like a round disc. Now it's time to assemble your roses. Once you've assembled all 6 of your roses, it's time to bake them. I've made this holder for them out of clay. I just took some scrap clay, poked holes into it, baked it, and now I can use this as a holder for my roses. Now bake your roses and your ladybugs. Once they are baked, glue in your eye hooks and your rose stems. Now make an eye hook at the end of all of the rose stems. Now paint on your dots and your eyes. Resin your pieces. Don't forget to let the paint dry first. You're almost done. Just assemble your earrings now. You're done. And if you've watched to this point, you are awesome. Thanks for watching. Bye.